Hi, Lord Jessie Blue. Happy, happy, happy birthday. I hope your birthday is full of happiness, love, and laughter. And sending you best wishes in your life, good health, wealth, prosperity, and never-ending bliss. Ayan, so napakabilis, Lord, sa panahon. Nakaisang ikot ka na naman. Nadagdagan na naman ang age mo, but don't worry. Hindi ko naman nakitang nadagdagan ang iyong wrinkles. Ayan, dahil alam ko na lagi kang happy and masaya sa mga Dapper Cats natin dito sa Whitey World. Ayan, so good luck to your channel, Lords, and thank you so much for being a good friend, and happy, happy, happy birthday.
Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening sa inyong lahat. Just wanna greet my dear son, Jessie Blue TV, a very happy, happy birthday. Anak, 1 year na kaagad ang nakakalipas. Ang bilis ng panahon. Kailan lang. Tapos ngayon, madadagdagan naman ang edad mo. At wala naman ako masyado masasabi, kundi noon ko pa sinabi, you are a good son, a good person, so smart, so talented, and with a heart. Paulit-ulit yan. Dahil yun yung nakikita ko at nararamdaman sa iyo. Sa tuwing nakikita kita with your team, diba, ang dami mong team kasi, pero para sa akin, hindi ka naman nagbago. And still improving, growing up, sa Whitey World. Napakatalino mo kasi. So, hindi ko na rin makalimutan, pero buti na lang. Gusto ko pa rin sabihin na continue to be a loving, passionate person to everyone. Kahit sino ang makasama mo, kahit sino ang makilala mo, just level up, go. Kung paano mo tingnan ang isang tao, ganun din mo tingnan ang mga bagong pang mga kakilala. At hindi ka maliligaw dahil alam ko na lagi ka nag-iisip, lagi kang alert sa maraming bagay. So, hoping na kung ano man yung mga wishes mo pa sa buhay, makamit mo, at sana magkita na tayo. Kasi, gusto ko na rin ikaw makita at makasama ng personal. Pag uwi mo, o kung nakauwi ka na, kahit ilang oras lang, magkita na tayo. So, I love you so much, and wanna see you talaga. Happy, happy birthday. I love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy, 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 happy birthday sa nag-iisang Kuya Jessie Blue namin. Ayan, and I wish you all the best. God health always, and more successful sa life and sa iyong YouTube channel. And mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo, enjoy life, and enjoy your day. And maraming salamat Kuya Jessie sa naging part ka ng aming Whitey community, and thank you so much. And ayan, basta mag-enjoy ka lagi, and yun lang, wala akong ibang sasabihin. Basta manggugulo pa rin ako sa channel, sa sa live mo kapag may time ako. I love you, Kuya Jessie. See you again next time. Bye!
Ayan, babati lang ako ng happy birthday kay Sir Jessie Blue. And thank you so much, Sir Jessie Blue. And sana gwapo ka pa rin lagi. Pero gwapo ka naman talaga. O diba? Kakantahan na lang kita ng Happy, Happy Birthday. Okay, this song is for you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Sir JC Blue, and thank you so much.
Alright. Thank you so much for giving me a chance to greet you, Kois. A happy birthday. And I hope you guys enjoy this very special day of you together with your family and friends. And even though I don't know you personally, Kois, pero isa ka sa mga hinahangaan namin, namin sa YT. Isa kang pogi ng YT. And of course, just keep going, Kois, and continue to give happiness, smiles to everyone here in YT, not only in YT, but of course, people around you. And my very wish to you, Kois, is to have the best of what's your heart's desires. And I think you are blessed already. And yeah, yun lang siguro. Kasi 1 minute lang binigay sa akin ni Mr. Chairs. So maraming salamat once again, Kois. Happy birthday and more birthdays to come. God bless you.